Right, so just a quick update on the AD5X. I've completed 167 hours of print time, and it's been plugged into a power meter, and that says, I'll have a look in there. Let me get close up. It says £5.39. It's currently on idle at the moment, so it's about 6 or 7 watts at idle. That isn't the right time, by the way. So it's done £5.39 for 167 hours of print time, and also that includes drying the filament. So I got a Solvol filament dryer from AliExpress, and I had some vouchers. It was about 40 quid for a dual roll dryer, and I'm just about to do a print that's not going to be enough filament there to complete it. So I want to see how it handles the changeover to a new reel. So I'm going to start that printing now, and I'll come back and show you what happens when it runs out of filament. Run out of tension. Snag all the way through. And it's going to be all the way through. I'll snip that last bit. This is the last bit going in. This is it. When it goes through the IFS, will it stop? Let's see. Right, it's just about to hit IFS out. Out now. Still going through it. Still going through it. It's going to go all the way to the extruder. Just going to put in air for a bit. What's going on in it? That's it, everything's still coming out. Open it. So we'll put it there. Yeah. Oh no, it's still coming out. That's lost a long time. Something like that. Yes, it's still a little bit in there, but it's spotted it. It's spotted it. Have a look at that. That makes the message. Trying that something's running through. Yeah, that's the extruder's trying to. Materials for channel 2 are used up. Please put new material. Right, let's do that. Here it is, new materials. Although it's on the wrong spool holder really. Will it matter from there? I don't think so. I have to find out. That'll be alright. There we go. Reload. There's a little bit hanging out of the nozzle there, I can see. A little bogey down there. Look. Hopefully that doesn't cause any trouble. Alright, it's gone in. Okay. Do I just press play again? Pause. Play. Resume printing. Heating, please wait. Focus. Waiting to it. Just go okay again. Okay. Preheating is on the screen. Looks like it's going to handle it like a trooper. Where's it pick up from? I can see the little wisp. The little wisp that was left of it. Realise it's running up. There we go. Right. Is that the left off? Yeah. Pretty much. There you go. Subscribe and thanks for watching.